In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can widen a column. So let's say you're texting something here. So let me try add something new here. So Abdullah, let me add Nuruddin. Something like this, you see. Nuruddin Bani. Good. And you can see the name is not showing. All the name is not showing. So let me show you guys how you can, expand your rows. So what I need to do is at the end of the row A, you see the line, the border. You put your cursor there, it should change. You see it has changed. It should change something like this. Long press, left click, drag it to the side. And good. That's it on how you expand a row. You can do same for a column too as well. So now let's say we want to expand our rows as well, just like we did for the column. The procedure is similar. Nothing different. You place it here, you drag it down. You get it. You can see from the 6, you drag it down. Good. And you can see now 6 is more bigger. So if you want to drag it up too as well, you just push it up, push it up, push it up. Just like you did for this. It's simple and easy. Let me revert it. I think that's 6. Now the row is good. So now it's good. So that's it on how you expand a row and a column on Excel. It's simple and easy. You just place it at the border of where you want to expand and then you drag it by left clicking like you are trying to highlight something on your PC. That's it for the video. I have a lot of tutorials on Excel on my channel. You can check my playlist, which is called Microsoft Excel tutorials on my channel. So that's it for the video. If you're new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.